In this topic, we're going to look at some of the functionality that you can do with web pages. For instance, we see the CSS style sheet is now active, and we'll see various colors and backgrounds depending on what that style sheet actually says. The style sheet you can actually just look at by going to it directly, and we'll see things like there's the default background color of FFCC, and that of course is simply this yellow background right here. And some of the other changes, the table headers have different background and foreground colors than the table itself. Other things we'll do, we'll go into the rollover examples. Now in this case we began with the Tulum one, and we can see that when you roll over, the people either appear or disappear. We can go to the fishing one where the fish gets bigger just by hovering over it. The school one is a little bit more interesting. We have the 1917 school that starts, and when you hover over it you can see the 2017 school photo. However, you notice the photos are different sizes. That's going to cause some really quirky things to happen when we go over here. You see it ends up being confused. There's a little delay in there because when you first scroll over the 1917, it pops to the 2017. But if you're on an area that's outside of the 2017, it's going to immediately pop to the 1917, which is going to want to pop back to the 2017. It causes some confusion there. Now, another thing we're going to look at is the lakes pages, and we're going to get various lakes. Like we see Broomstick Lake here, and here's East Croga and East Stoner. Here's Canada Lake. We can take a look at all those, or we'll be able to look at them with an index off of a map. So if I want to go to Peck Lake, I can just click right here and view the details about Peck Lake, or Irving Pond is right here, and West Croga, and so on. So those are some of the things that we're going to be doing to get our web pages to be a little bit more functional.